In this video, I'll show you how to open the hood of your Kia Forte. Many years, many different generations will work the same way. So first, let's go inside of the car and you're gonna find the hood latch in the driver's footwell right over here. Pull it, okay, pull it completely, even multiple times, just make sure that the hood unlatches. Now once you come over here, take a look where the Kia logo is, right above. You're gonna find a small latch. I'll show you once I open it better how to do it, but basically you glide your finger inside and you're gonna push on the small latch up, and at the same time you're gonna lift the hood. Okay, just like that. Now I lift it. And if I put the hood up, well, this one is defective, it's staying up by itself, but usually you're gonna put a hood rod, okay, to keep it up. This is the latch I was talking about. So once you glide your finger over here, once you push it, you're gonna unlock the hood. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.